So this morning about 7 o'clock I jumped straight out of bed, really excited like a little boy to play with my new Arduino kit. I did a video of unboxing it earlier this week, and I have this morning had a play with it, and I have created my first project. It's pretty simple, but I'm pretty happy with it. It's the first time I've done any electronics as an adult, and I've managed to get a whole project working. So I'm just going to quickly take you through what I've done this morning. I've got my Arduino here, I've got a breadboard, I've got a whole load of hookup wires, I've got 3 LEDs, some resistors that go on the live side of the LED, and I've also got a potentiometer over here, which to all intents and purposes is kind of like a dimmer switch, so that returns different resistance depending on how far you've got it turned around. So I'm just going to fire up the Arduino now. I've got it powered via USB on my laptop, so I'm just going to fire this up, and we can see the Arduino coming to life, and that's running the script that I've written for this project. So if I just show you on the screen, I've got a script here. It's a pretty basic script. It does a few things which you can see in the rest of this blog post, but I'm just going to upload that to the Arduino now. That's doing the upload. You can see the Arduino kind of flashing away and saying it's uploaded, and once it's uploaded, that's now running. So what I've done is I've built a script which basically takes the input, the analog input from the potentiometer, I'm struggling to say that word, and it turns on LEDs depending on the resistance. So I start turning this, we can see the green LED comes on, and we keep going, and the resistance becomes greater value, and the blue one turns on, then we get right up to the top end, and we see the red one comes on, and I've actually made that flash. So it's pretty simple, but we can see that I've managed to hook up a few sensors via the breadboard, via my Arduino, via my computer. I've written some code, and we can see that if I just go to the console window for the Arduino, the serial monitor, what we can actually see on there is if I actually start turning the dial, you can see that the values are changing right down to 0, so that's off. That's going to be green. Going up above 500, that's going to take me to blue. And if I go up above 1000, that's when we get red flashing. So there we go, that's my first Arduino project. Pretty simple, but it works.